Does your garage door make a bunch of noise just like this thing? Let's see if we can fix that with these new rollers I just got. So without being able to easily identify the rollers on the door, I assume they're metal. And I got these poly rollers that measure the same size as the ones in the door already. Exactly the same. So I'm going to pull these brackets off, slide them in one by one. Looks like there's 10 brackets. See if I can get this door to stop being so squeaky. Lubrication stuff doesn't help it. I've tried lubricating in the tracks, and this door isn't even that old, but hopefully these poly rollers will be better. I got the first one out. It is some kind of poly material, the original one, but here's what I think will make the difference. This shaft is about 10 millimeters thick. This is 11, and it still fits in there, so it's going to have less slop. And then this roller is about 2 millimeters wider than this one as well, so that should also take up some slop in the door as it goes up and down. Let's see how that works. So in this style garage door, it's really hard to read, especially when the door is closed, but this lower mount is under spring tension. You see there's a pulley system up there, and it's all under tension when the door is down. So for the lower mounts, you want to have the door open, change those out. But then for the other ones, because they're holding the two pieces of the panel together, it's easy to do those with the door closed. You just do those vertical so that the pieces don't try and like fall down on you or anything. All right, they're all in. Here goes. No squeaks, but it still makes metal garage door noises. So that said, was that worth 18 bucks? Nope. Probably should have just dealt with the squeaks. But I thought they were metal rollers because they had some spray paint on them. But anyway, probably don't waste your money unless it's really bad. Thanks for watching.